Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. And guys, we have a very special episode. We are going to be talking about AQST, I believe it's a pharmaceutical company that makes these Listerine strips. I could be wrong on pretty much what they do, but they're a pharmaceutical company. Anyways, the stock is up 171% pretty much year to date. So we're going to be talking about, is this stock worth a buy and kind of what's going on with it. So hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe, but let's kind of just jump in and talk about what's going on. So as of right now, pretty much the stock is starting to see a lot of buying pressure for a couple of reasons. One, they got a whole bunch of upgrades and analyst upgrades and just crazy price targets, I guess, for this thing. So the average analyst price target are pretty much near and around, anywhere from $5 all the way up to about $24 a share. So obviously for a stock that's $2.44, we're seeing a lot of buying pressure. Rightfully so, right? Everybody wants to get in, if it hits that price target, because that's crazy return. On top of that, we also saw this. This is just pretty much a profit. This is just pretty much a earnings report. I'm drawing a blank, but anyways, so pretty much what they came out and said is this, right? So we'll go ahead and look at it. So they beat their revenue by 12% and they beat their earnings per share by 275%. Obviously, we're going to get buying pressure if we see something like that. But one of the issues I do have with this stock is this. Yes, we saw a beat on revenue, but the revenue is still down 9.2% year over year, which is not the greatest. We always want to invest in a company that's growing, not sinking. And that's kind of what we're seeing temporary. I get it. Okay, I understand. But another fantastic thing about this stock is this. The net profit margin is one of the highest profit margins I've seen at 72%, up 167%. So obviously they're doing something right. But should you buy this stock, right? That's everyone's question, Carter. Should I buy it? So here's my strategy. So AQST is a high risk, high growth stock. It's not like investing in Apple. It's not even like investing in Tesla. This thing is going to be a stock that either squeezes up to $20 or it's going to zero. And obviously, guys, looking at this, people say, "Oh, look at the chart, looks great." Yes. Well, if you zoom out, this stock was once trading for near and around $20. And obviously, we've gotten sell-off. So they've seen crazy price targets before, right? If we go ahead and we zoom out, you guys will see this stock was trading for $20. And then it sold off down to 2, back up to 10, back down to 2, back up to 10. So it's very volatile. It's a very risky company. At the end of the day, it is. But as far as like their long-term outlook, right? Their long-term outlook, I could see a marketplace where this company falls in. Their overall idea is to try to get rid of needles and use different alternatives for delivering medicine and stuff like that. So I think that's great. I'm sure there's a marketplace for it. But for me, right, I see this stock, I know right now, probably hitting some resistance near and around $3. The reason why I say that is because it was old resistance here and it was old support in here, right? Old supports have a tendency to act as new resistance, just like we've kind of confirmed here. So I do think we'll get some sell-off, near and around $3. I think that's kind of my watch zone. But as far as a long-term investment, should I buy it? So for me, if I'm going to invest, which I'm still kind of on the fence about investing in it, I might wait like a week or so just to see where this thing goes, right? I would feel more comfortable trying to get this thing a week out just because right now it's news. It's promoting. And then once people kind of realize, okay, this stock isn't worth it or this or that, we'll get some sell-off. And, a very common situation we saw was with GameStop. GameStop had a whole bunch of people saying this thing was going to $500 and it popped up, it sold off. And yes, a lot of people made money. But on the flip side, we got that tank down within a week or so. So I think we'll probably see something not as drastic as this, but something a little similar where we'll get some sell off. If I can get it maybe under 2, then I'll start dollar cost averaging under 1% of my portfolio. and then see what happens, right? If you invest into this company, you have to just pretend you lost your money, or you're gonna be stressing too much. Keep it under 1% and just see what happens with it. I don't know. It's a risky stock. I would rather see a lot of beginners invest into companies like Apple, in the S&P 500, just a lot more stable companies. I think that a lot more people would make probably more money and have less stress investing in those than this. I'll leave it like that. So hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys later. I know a lot of you guys wanted me to talk about this stock. Maybe we'll do like a full live stream and we can talk about it here this week. But we'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care, guys. We'll see you later. Peace.